Hello guys, welcome to another class on Benco Institute. On today's class, we have a TD950 generator, a Charlie's model, two-stroke generator. By two-stroke, the oil and the fuel is mixed. Okay, this generator is actually for a client of mine. He said he was not at home and someone who was with him did put on the generator, and after some time the generator made a loud noise and stopped working. It got stuck. He came back and saw the state of the generator and discovered that the person who used the generator didn't add engine oil to the fuel. Okay, if you notice very well, the fuel is so dry. There is no engine oil at all. How do you know a generator without oil? Or sorry, how do you know a fuel rather without oil? You just dip your hand into the fuel. You notice in seconds it dries up. Okay, in seconds it dries up. That shows you this particular fuel does not have oil. However, he said after some time he went back to pull the generator and the generator was able to pull, but this time with a very loud noise. Though I really don't have an idea what I would do in the generator until I've opened it. Before then, I will quickly try something out. I'll try to even kickstart the generator. I'll add oil to the fuel this time. I'll add oil to the fuel and try to kickstart the generator to see if it's going to come on before taking any other steps. It doesn't look like what would come on anytime soon. I hear a particular noise. It's more like the noise is more like the AC of the generator is not in place. But from the explanation the guy gave to us, I'm not quite sure that is the case, but I'm trying to hear that noise. That kind of noise shows the oil seal of the generator, of this particular generator, is not in place. I will check. That's where we head down to now, to quickly check if that is the case with this generator. With overtime experience, I can at least guess and or perhaps predict what could be wrong with a generator, but this seems like the OSC is still inside. This seems like the OSC is inside because I've checked now. Oh, I think the OSC is the fault. The OSC is not in position. Hey guys, I found it. The camera will not be able to see this, but what I did just now, because of the sound I heard, the description the guy gave to me was quite different from this. He said the generator got stuck. Okay, it made a loud noise and got stuck, but I tried pulling it now and it's not coming on. With the sound I heard, I believed it was the oil seal, and I just found out actually that's the oil seal. The oil seal is out of position, so what I'll quickly do is to lose this generator. I'll have to take off this alternator, then replace the oil seal. Then we'll take it off from there. So what I do basically when I'm about losing the coil is this. Instead of using this hammer to hit this outrightly, I really do not want to damage this bolt. So what I'll do, I will use a 12 socket, just place it on top and just hit it a little. So this will basically apply pressure to the base of the coil. So this has applied pressure to the base of the coil and it's out. So this is a very good strategy. Instead of hitting here, most times we'll be tempted to hit here so that it can apply pressure to the base of the armature. Instead of doing that, just use this first and guess what, hit it, and you won't damage this and you won't damage this too. So that's a very good technique. All right, we'll take this out now. This is the fuse coil. Okay, we've taken this out now, and this is what we have. This is the OSC I told you about, guys. You see, it's very, very strong. This is not how the OSC should look on a norm. So I will quickly go get this oil sealed now, and I'll continue. What I'll do now, I'll get the oil seal, just fix it back, and then couple and kickstart to see if it will come on. All right, guys. I just got the new oil seal. The difference between this oil seal and this one is this oil seal has become so stiff, and this oil seal still has this elasticity. So I'll quickly fix it up, then we'll couple. Having fixed the oil seal, what we do next is to couple the alternator, just like we loosed it the other time. And then first thing first, the winding connected to the base, the armature further connected to the crankshaft, and then we quickly tighten it. For tightening this, what you do is to use this screwdriver to hold the crankshaft in position so it doesn't rotate. All right, that's fantastic. What you do next now is to fix this armature cover, the rear cover. Fixing it is not difficult whatsoever. All you just need to do is to allow this pin, there's a pin here, is always towards this end. You allow this pin to get into this particular point, okay, and you fix it. So that is it, guys. I've done that. And the next thing I need to do now is to couple, or rather is to fix in these bolts. These are not quite difficult. If you lose it yourself, then you should be able to couple it. Very, very easy. To check if you fixed it well, you will quickly pull this, and what you will observe now is that there is more compression compared to what we had the other time when we initially pulled it. So knowing fully well that from this, you also know that the armature and the field windings are in perfect position. Otherwise, if they are not in perfect position, if you pull this, it is to become strong. Okay, so what we do next is to lose this out again and fix the exhaust. Okay guys, we've succeeded in doing that, fixing the exhaust. The next thing to do now is to kickstart it and see if what we've done works. So quickly put the tank and you open the fuel tap and allow fuel to get in. Then we kickstart. Okay, it's actually showing signs of coming on, but for some reason it hasn't come on yet. But this is way better than the first time when we tried kickstarting it. There was no sign whatsoever. Instead, it was showing signs that there was leakage in the generator. So I'll allow for it to get in again properly, then I'll kickstart this time. If after kickstarting it still doesn't work, then we head down to the plug to see if the plug is in good condition. Let's kickstart again. All right. What we just did now was just to change the what's it called again, the oil seal, and then this gen is working. Okay, initially it didn't come on. You would agree with me, you saw it didn't come on at all. But what our client told us was this: he said the gen went off because there was no oil. So deep down in my mind, I actually felt I was going to work on the engine, or perhaps change the piston, the rings, or probably something in that regard. But fortunately, because I have to say fortunately, because this is quite easy, it was just the oil seal. So I will just put this on and let it run for the next 20-25 minutes and see how it works. So guys, this is basically how to fix an engine that refuses to come on. If you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please do want to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so when other videos are posted, you are among the first to see them. And also share these videos to friends and family. If you want to be part of our membership community, well, the ball is in your court. Just click on the join button and choose any plan of your choice, and then you get access to all the perks attached to the plan you choose. Till we meet in our next class, guys. It's goodbye from us.